Hello fellow YouTubers. Whenever I see a tool that I don't have, that I know I can use in my workshop, I'll buy it. And this is my latest purchase, the Stanley Fat Max 18 volt lithium cordless grinder. And it comes as you see it. The battery and the charger are sold separately. I don't particularly like that, but it seems to be the practice rather than the exception these days. Now as you see it, it weighs 2.9 kilograms. Yes, it's a pretty hefty tool, but it's pretty well ergonomically designed, and I find it easy to use. It takes a 125mm cutting disc or grinding wheel. At the top here is a safety switch, which is now off, and you can't depress the trigger. Switch it on, and away you go. The no load speed is 8500 RPM. It comes with the two-pronged spanner conveniently located in the grip, the side grip. I like that very much. This cost $121. The battery and charger $144. Take a total cost of $265 from my local Masters store. But I'm very happy with the tool, and I think it's been money well spent. Now the grinder, the battery and the charger, which came together, not in plastic cases but in cardboard boxes, which didn't bother me at all, because just recently I've taken all of my tools out of the cases and placed them into a 4-drawer steel cabinet, and because I find they're far more convenient to gain access to. Here I've got a piece of 3mm mild steel angle. You can see it handles that with ease. I don't have a 125mm grinding wheel, so I'm using a 100mm wheel instead. Works a treat. Now, while a cordless grinder will never replace an electric grinder, it does have its uses in any home workshop. Sometimes I do small welding jobs out here, and say if we happen to run out of lead and plug in an electric grinder, I can just clean up the welds with this unit or cut a little bit of metal. And it's particularly useful in an area where you might have to run out a very long lead, a series of leads. I think then it comes into its own. But I'm very happy with the unit, and I can recommend it to the home handyman or woman. Stanley Fat Max 18 volt lithium cordless grinder, 2 thumbs up.